Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can solve your Wi-Fi problems on your Windows 10 operating system. So for example, you are facing the problem that says limited access, or even this Wi-Fi is not even connecting to your Wi-Fi router. How you can solve this problem? Let's see. So there are few steps you can follow to solve this problem. So the first step is just right click on your start menu button. So just right click, not left click, but right click on your start menu button, and in here just go to power options. Okay, so right click and then just choose this power option, and this is going to open this kind of interface. And in here we want to choose this option which says balanced, which is also recommended. So sometimes this option is chosen, which is power saver, but we need to choose this option which says balanced, which is also recommended, right? And then just click this option which says change plan setting, and in here you just need to choose this option which says change advanced power settings. And in here you will be able to see the Wi-Fi adapter settings. So just choose this option which says Wi-Fi adapter settings, and then go to power saving mode. And in here in the settings you will be able to see some options, right? You will be able to see maximum power saving, maximum medium power saving, or low power saving, or maximum performance. So in order to fix the Wi-Fi problem, you must have this maximum performance. Okay, so choose this option which says maximum performance if it's already not by default selected. Okay, so choose this maximum performance and then apply and then click OK. And then restart your PC and check if this problem is solved. So if this problem is solved, then it's okay, but if it's not solved, then let's see the second option what we can do. So for the second option, once again right click on your start menu for your Windows 10, and this time open this device manager option. So just click this device manager, and it's going to open this device manager. And in the device manager you will be able to find your network settings. So you can see network adapter here, and you will be able to see some options for the network settings. So choose the one option which says Intel in the starting, and then at the end it says network connection. Okay, so choose this one and then right click on it, and then go to the properties. And first of all we will go to the power management property here, and by default it says allow the computer to turn off this device to save power. So for better Wi-Fi performance, you can disable this option and then click OK. Okay, and then once again restart your computer and again check if the problem is solved. And if it's not solved, then just go to the driver here in here once again. So once again open this option, and then this time go to driver, and in the driver we are going to update our driver. So just click update driver, and in the update driver just choose the first option which says search automatically and update the driver. And it's going to search online for the software, and it's going to automatically update your network software. Okay, so just wait for this, and once this is done, then your network is updated. So you can now once again restart your computer and check whether the problem is solved or not. Okay, so if the problem is solved, then it's okay, but if it's not solved, then we have the last option. So for the last option, once again right click on your start menu button, and then this time choose this option which says command prompt with the administrative privileges. Okay, so just choose this option, command prompt admin. Okay, and it's going to give you the warning, and just say yes here. It's going to open the command prompt for you. Okay, and in here you just need to give this command. This command I'm going to paste in the description also, which is netsh, then int, then IP, then reset. Okay, so netsh int IP reset. So just give this command, and I'm going to paste this command here. Okay, and then press enter. And once you press enter, it's going to show you these options. It says resetting global, okay, resetting interface, okay, and okay, and at the last it will say resetting, okay, and then it will give you this message, restart the computer to complete this action. So then you just need to restart your computer and check whether this problem is solved or not. So most probably these steps will help you to solve your limited access Wi-Fi problem or any disconnection of Wi-Fi problem which you face in your Windows 10 operating system. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please rate, comment and subscribe, and bye.